Civil Engineering Technology program at NAIT is a 2-year diploma program. Students in their first year, they have an opportunity to sign up for our co-op program. If they're accepted, they are able to gain some industry experience throughout their second year of the program. Students will be able to enter their career working in things like highway design, municipal infrastructure, structural design, geotechnical design, and pavement materials design. Estimating, project management. We also will look at using software like AutoCAD, Civil 3D, and Revit throughout our time here in the program as well. What I find really interesting about this program is that it really has a hand in everything we do within the community. So if you're looking at the building that we're in, the roads and the products we travel to get here, or whether it be like the construction of the pipelines that bring water to our homes and businesses, it has a hand in everything that we do throughout our community. To get to use the equipment that is out in industry and get that hands-on experience. Instead of just reading about the material and just kind of learning those concepts, they actually get to experience it hands-on and kind of brings that knowledge to a different level. Once you graduate, you kind of choose that passion that you really like to explore and you kind of build your career off of that. So it's actually a really good broad-based program, and it does give you a lot of opportunities once you graduate from NAIT. Civil engineering at NAIT is a great place to start your journey. If you are interested in our program and feel that's the right program for you, I'll encourage you to apply to the program and start your journey with us. So I'd really like to see you in class.